Hello guys, welcome to Vehicle Academy. Today we are going to discuss about 4-stroke internal combustion SI engine, which is petrol engine. First of all, what is an internal combustion engine? An internal combustion engine is a heat engine where the fuel is burnt inside the combustion chamber. Here, the chemical energy of the fuel is converted into heat energy, and heat energy is further converted into mechanical energy by some mechanical mechanism in the engine. In 4-stroke engine, the piston completes 4 different cycles while turning the crankshaft. The 4 different strokes are suction stroke, compression stroke, ignition stroke, and exhaust stroke. Suction stroke is also known as intake stroke. As in the video given, when the crankshaft rotates 180 degrees, the piston moves from top dead center to bottom dead center. Here, the inlet valve is open, which allows the air-fuel mixture into the cylinder. In this stroke, the volume increases and pressure remains constant. Compression stroke. The air-fuel mixture is compressed when the piston moves from bottom dead center to top dead center. Here, the inlet valve and the exhaust valve remain closed. In this stroke, the pressure and temperature increases and volume decreases. Exhaust stroke. The compressed air-fuel mixture is ignited with the help of spark plug, and the pressure and temperature of the fuel further increases and the volume remains constant. The inlet and exhaust valves remain closed and the piston moves from top dead center to bottom dead center due to the high pressure and temperature push down of the piston. Exhaust stroke. The exhaust valve is open in this stroke. The piston moves from BDC to TDC, and during this motion, the piston pushes out the burnt gases from the cylinder. The heat is ejected in this process. After the stroke, again the inlet valve opens and the cycle starts to repeat again. So, these are the 4 strokes in internal combustion SI engine. I hope you guys understood. Thank you.